Groundwork Monitor seamlessly integrates availability, performance, and event data, offering one-click access to related systems. This integration provides distinctive multi-context views of infrastructure availability and performance across on-premises and public clouds, such as Amazon, Google, and Azure. As we look ahead, the focal point of monitoring is Kubernetes infrastructure and application monitoring. Diamanti remains dedicated to advancing a world-class monitoring product, currently employed by some of the largest enterprises. As we witness the widespread adoption of containerized applications utilizing Kubernetes, Diamanti is committed to expanding the Groundwork and Spectra product lines to incorporate monitoring capabilities for K8 infrastructure and application monitoring, releasing in 2024. Welcome to the feature walkthrough of Diamanti's Groundwork Monitoring Release 8.7.3. This release adds support for cold spares with automatic switching functionality in case main monitoring instance services begin to go offline. We've also added support for Postgres versions 13 and 14 as an external database. With the latest release, you now have control over session timeouts. You can easily set how long the UI can be inactive before a Groundwork session is automatically terminated. When monitoring different hosts in ElasticDB, you can now easily specify which hosts are able to be included and quickly search through event data for only those hosts. We also added enhancements to the audit log navigation, search, and filtering. Bug fixes include the proper handling of a large number of LDAP groups. Let's take a look at a few of these new features. Cold Backup Spare. Groundwork Monitor now supports a cold backup server. If the primary monitoring server fails, Groundwork can switch over to the backup server and not lose any monitoring. More support for Postgres SQL. Groundwork now supports Postgres SQL versions 13 and 14, including support for complex passwords, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Here you can see the installation complete with complex password. For session timeout, add an environment variable to the docker compose.yaml file. In this case, we'll set it to 10 seconds, but it could be any length of time you wish. After updating the file and clearing cookies, the UI will close the session after 10 seconds of inactivity. Host filtering for the event collector. In this example, you can see the connector name is TCG Elastic, and using Elastic's Kibana for monitoring, you can see this example returns over 800 hosts. Using a Lucene query, we can filter for Dalek or for TCG, making our output much more manageable. Audit log enhancements. The latest release of Groundwork Monitor has new options for jumping to an audit log's specific page or event, as well as filtering by date and time range, the sorting of logs on any data column, and easily exporting logs to CSV files. See the release supporting documentation for more information, as well as further information about individual features and upgrade operations. If you would like to schedule a free demo, trial, proof of concept, speak with our Kubernetes certified engineering team for any of our products, please visit diamanti.com/contact or call Sid Singh at 408-539-3283 today.